Hi guys, today we'll be discussing how to print an largest number amongst three numbers. So for that we have to first open up the code blocks and let's start writing the code. So go to file, go to new and click on the empty file. Now save the file with Control S, give it a name largest number finder. Now start writing hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Inside my main function, what I have to do is I have to create three variables int a, comma b, comma c, and I have to input these three numbers from the user. So I will write printf, and inside the double quotes I have to write a message enter any number and scan the number to the address of A. Copy these two lines and right here enter another number and save it on B. And in the third printf statement, write enter the third number and save it on C. Now we have to compare these two values, that these three values, that I will write if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, though it means that number in variable A is the greatest value, having the greatest value. So I will write printf percentage D is greatest, and where is that number? That number is in A. Now else if B is greater than C and C is greater than A, so I will write printf percent %d comma percent %d is greatest comma it's in B. Now if A is not greatest number, if B is not greatest number, then it's understood that the C is the greatest number, so we need not to compare again. So we'll write else only, else printf percentage %d is greatest and the value is in C, and get ch and program ends. That's all. Now let's see what is the output of this program. I have to build this program. I've got three arrays. Oh, uh, the scanf is not written in the spelling of scanf is wrong. I have to write scanf, not scanf and scanf. Now build again. Go to build and click on build. Now the program ends with no error. See, there is no error in my program. No, go to build and run. So it says enter any number. Let's say I write 1. Enter another number. I write 20. Enter another number. I write 55. So it says 55 is the greatest number. So the value at C is the greatest. Now let's run another time, and this time I will be making the greatest number at value 2. I will write it this, and there's some error in my program. Let's see where is the error. Let's create another condition here. Now run it again. Now let's see. I will write 5 here, and will write 3 here and 7 here. So it says 7 is the greatest number. And run it again. And now 6 here, 8 here, and 1 here. This problem in this here. Not B is greater than C and B is greater than A. So then B is greatest. And no need to uh, compare again. Now build on 1. Now let's see. 2 here, 5 here, 1 here. So 5 is greatest. That's all about today's tutorial. Uh, Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PogTech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.